Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix age on TikTok. If you can't access majority of TikTok services because you filled in the wrong birth date information when you signed up for TikTok, then you can easily contact TikTok customer service and ask for a birthday update. Here's how to do it. Simply tap Open TikTok application from your app drawer. Once you log into your account, tap Open your profile button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner from your profile page. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down until you find Report a Problem option under Support. Give it a tap and tap on Account and Profile. Now select Editing Profile. Tap on Other. Select No right where it asks you if your problem is solved. Tap on Need More Help. Now go ahead and type in that you've entered a wrong birthday information while signing up for TikTok. Let me type in I need to update my birthday on my account as the current date is incorrect. You can also share some ID to prove your actual birthday. To do so, tap on this image icon beneath and select one of the files or any kind of a data that proves your birthday information. Finally, tap on Report in red at the bottom of the page. Within the next day or two, you should receive an email from TikTok support at the email address associated with your account. The representative of TikTok should ask you for a photo or some government ID that proves your birthday. After you send it to them, they will hopefully update your birthday information. That is how you can easily fix TikTok age within the application using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.